Hello. Thank you for calling. I'm an AI assistant for Google, and I want to let you know that this call may be recorded for quality assurance. Are you calling about our services?
Yeah.
Great. To help you better, could you please tell me what specific plumbing service you need assistance with?
Hot water heater.
Got it. Can you please tell me if you need a repair or a new installation for your hot water heater?
Repair and invoice.
Thanks for that information. To better assist you, could you please provide the address where the hot water heater repair is needed?
613 38.
Thank you for the address. Just to confirm, you need a repair for your hot water heater at 638. Could you please provide your name and a contact number for us to follow up with you?
Ryan 99.
Thank you, Ryan. I'll make sure to pass your information along to my team. To help them assist you better, could you let me know what type of hot water heater you have? Is it a tank or a tankless model?
Tank.
All right, Ryan. Just to wrap up, is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope.
Thank you for calling, Ryan. Wishing you all the best. Goodbye.